task in a data center. I've always loved IT. Every day at ITT Tech was it was an awesome learning experience. I just had the drive to better myself. My education was already paid for itself. Education opened the door for life, my life.
What you doing, little guy?
The School of Information Technology at ITT Tech can help students develop knowledge and skills they can use to pursue career opportunities in a variety of entry-level positions. Opportunities are waiting for those ready to move forward in their education. ITT Technical Institute School of Information Technology. Education for the future.